guys, he eat and just got back. So I bought some new candy I can interest, yeah? So let's see my candy over here. I don't know what it is, little. I don't know what I'm doing. So I will eat that. Let's start out this one. I don't know what is needed today. So let's try it, okay? Let's open it first. Inside there's a lot in here. Okay, I will take it out for you to see how many you have. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's 6 of them in each packet. And then look at this. In one packet you will see this one. And I will eat this too. Yes, this is blueberry flavor. And the bear. You see this bear? Okay, let's eat the bear, okay? It's sweet. It's not quite like blueberry, but I don't know why it's called blueberry flavor. Okay. Let's move on. The next one is our popping candy. Let's give the spoon. Like popping candy. Okay. Yes. Open it up. And open it up. And then you can see there's this. Inside of that, I will get all of them in there. So I will switch back, right back. And then there's 2 orange. Why there's orange? And then green. 1, 2, 3. I will tell you this, okay? You see right here? Let's have the most one is pink, orange, green. So I want to taste this pink one first. Okay, let's see the pink one. It's a strawberry over here. And the orange one is a Coke. And the green one is a green apple. Okay? I want to say strawberry first, okay? Wait. Okay. Wait a second. Yes, I opened it already, so you will see this here. Let's see over here. Let's see one. I will. Hey. Do we see this one? I don't know what to do at all. Because I didn't combine it. So I combined it. So I will eat it now, okay? And not too much tonight. Wait a second. Wait. Ah, yes, come. Oh, just like strawberry. Just like strawberry. I will eat this first. I will come back to eat to that. And let's bring this over there. This one, this Oreo wafer. Yes. Wait. Oh, no. Oreo wafer roll, yes. It's strawberry. It has 3 kinds. Chocolate, strawberry, this I have. And vanilla, I eat it already. But this time I want to try this strawberry one, okay? I will open it now. When you open it, I will say, wow. This has very changed over here. You will see this one, this package. Each have 3 in it, and each package have 3. You will see 3 packets, yeah? And each package is for that. And then in each package, I will open it. Okay? Just wait a second. I got to know. Each one have 3 ones like this, okay? So I will eat this one first. Just like strawberry. Just like strawberry. I will come back to eat it later. The last thing we're gonna eat is this. They say it's the name, okay? There are so many flavors, but I need this flavor, raspberry flavor. They say it's a paper, but it's a candy paper. You can stick it in the glass, then you can eat it, okay? Don't do that, okay? No. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. I broke the package. I broke the package. See that is? I broke the package. Yes, I can see. It's like the paper, but you can eat it. Let me see you here. Oh my God! You can pull it out. You can pull it out like this. Now you have 2. Okay, eat it now. No, it's not flavor. It's not quite have a flavor, but I do like it. I will eat this first. I will eat that. That one I will eat it later. Yeah. That will be all for today. If you want me to display this Oreo wafer room and this one this one a different color, comment down below and remember to click thumbs up and subscribe button. Bye